everyone, I'm sharing with you another gift that you can do for the holiday. I have the Xerox paper here that 8.5 by 11. I'm gonna make a template. Templates will be in my description box for you, so you don't have to go crazy. Fold it in half and then fold it in half again. If you already know how to make a template, don't mind me, okay? Don't even skip this part. Looking for my pen and someone took it again. Alright, so I'm gonna make a 7 inches circle. And remember, if you want to make it bigger like 8, then you go 4. I'm making 7, so I'm going 3.5 all around. This time I'm gonna share with you how to make an octagon. And here I have the center. You're gonna fold this center to, this side to the center. And then the other side to the center. And after that, you're gonna fold it out. Make sure the corner meet the corner, everything perfectly match. And then from this corner to this corner right here, you're gonna draw the straight line and you're going to cut this out. That's how you make an octagon. You want to make it bigger, feel free to do so. Interfacing that I already cut in here, midway interface number 809, and I'm going to iron on the fabric that I already have it here on the side for me. This time I'm going to cut right on it, okay? I have the green here. I'm gonna cut exactly the same size. I have this interfacing, the hip and bone. I'm going to iron in the back here. And I also cut a piece of fabric that 3 1/4 the square, and I have 8. Okay, so I'm gonna fold them all the right side facing out. So first you're going to fold in half, turn it down so it don't burn my fabric, and then I'm going to iron this way. And when you're done, you're going to mark the center. You're gonna do 8 of them. Mark the center just like that. You don't need to iron. And then the 2 sides here, you're gonna fold it in like that. Press. Turn it down to this way. Corner have to meet the corner pointy like that, and then you iron. You're going to do all 8 of them. Very simple. All right, so do exactly the same. Fold them all, and then we're going to do something. I'll show you when we get there. Okay, I'm going to clip this on the corner, so you go around and you see whatever colors you want to go next to each other, you go for it, okay? And then you're going to place it on around like this for you to sew. So I like to clip around like that and then place the next one, the next one, and the next one until you're finished. Put in all 8. This is the first piece that my mom taught us how to do quilting, you know, basic thing, and she put out like the few old pillow, and then we start cutting and we fold, and we did all by hand sew because we don't have the whole, you know, factory of sewing machine. So we sat down and we all make all different one, and at the end she check and see if we make a mistake or not. But instead of using interface, and at that time when we back in our country, we don't have any interface or anything like that. So in the back, in the middle, she will put like the other piece of fabric just to help it stay better. So when I do this, it's emotional, but it is what it is, and it's during this time too. That's why I do a lot of live stream, everyone. I just want to go out a lot more and chit chat with people, because if you know, it's hard during the holiday. So do me a big thing, everyone. If you still have your mom around, just go see her or dad. Just go see them, give them a big hug, and tell them that you love them, because someday that you don't have a chance to say that, old people like to hear. So talk to them, see them as much as you can. All right. So people say, why are you facing this up, not the other way? It's not going to be pretty. All right, so a quarter up and inseam allowance, you're going to go around, go to here, go all around, sew this together. I'm going to show you how I sew to the corners, okay? So it's easier to turn like a quarter up an inch. Now I go right between these two. If you're afraid to go too far, then you use your hand wheel, and you're going to wheel down to the line that between those two. Leave the needle down and then turn this around, and then you're going to make the next one. Okay, you do that. Very easy. Very simple. Okay, make sure the needle hold on to the fabric. Okay, everyone, after I sew around a quarter of an inch, I'm gonna go in the back here. You can see that little tail sticking out. Go in, trim this, make sure everything is sticking out here. Trim it off. I'm using the bias tape because I have only this much last time I bought, so I cut the diagonal at the end. It's already folded like this. I think this is 2 inches bias tape, everyone, and then they fold into 4, you know, like the center and then the 2 in the center and then fold it again. I'll open this up. I'm gonna go to here. You can start in between, you don't need to go a corner, it's gonna be hard. Now you're gonna go and sew this around. So the 2 here, and then you go on around, you're going to sew the 2 here, and then you're going to go up, go around. So what do you see? I start showing half an inch away from the start, and then I sew up to a quarter up and in before the corners of each triangle, and I go up to the corner. Do you see that? And then I start the new one, and I go up to the corners and sew it a quarter up, and then like a quarter up and in before that, before the corners, and then I start going up. Make sure when you do that the needle stay down, okay, and sew all around. And this is very simple. When I start doing this, we did all by hand. So, and I don't know, but sewing by hand is very relaxed, and a lot of people don't like it, but I do like it sometimes, especially when you do quilting. Most little piece like this you can do, you know, while you wait for someone in the car, or you know, it's a lot of things that you can do with hand sew. People forgot about our ancestors. They used to sew by hand. I think because we have what you have and you always want more. That's what happened, you know. Just like a lot of people saying that something right in front of you, you don't think it's important, but when you don't have it anymore, then you miss that. That's what happened. You know, you don't value the time that you know, I don't want to get into that. I have done this by hand many times, and then I did this for my last Christmas for a gift. But I didn't make one. I make a few, like depend on how many people in the family. So I make like if the family have 6, I make 6, so they can use that the coaster, and or they can use that when they sitting down with the, you know, the soup bowl. They can place it on top of it. Very easy. Now when you see and get into the beginning and at the end, remember we start having ends away, so that thing for me to fold it in, and the last one to go right inside. So now you can see I sew all around. Remember the beginning I folded, I start half an inch before and I fold it back in. So, and then at the end I just place it inside of the half an inch fold. And now you can see all the corners like that. You're going to flap it all to the other side. And that's where you're going to sew all around. This is super easy. The reason why I go on up when I sew the corners, because I want to show a little of the corners like that. If not, it's going to be a circle. But if you want to be the circle, you can sew all around. You don't need to go up the corner like I do. So everyone, I finished, and it looks so cute in the back too. Nice and even, like the corners and everything. So for this, if you want to stop right here, you can, but if not, you want to dress up, you can add the button in here. Last time I went to Walmart and the button sale for the whole bag for 50 cents, so I got the whole bunch. And if you want, you can glue or sew it in here. So I finished, everyone. I add the button as I showed you earlier. You can sew it in here, or you can hot glue it, and it will stay there forever. People are afraid that why hot glue, but it's going to stay forever, everyone. So this project, it's super easy, and the best thing is you clean up all your little fabric. Okay, you can make bigger if you want to, but this is, I think, that's the best size for the coaster. Okay, so I'm gonna put my cup in there. I just drink some lemon tea, and just like that, everyone. Perfect. It's beautiful. It's good for gift. If you want to make this for someone for gift, feel free to do so. It because easy to make for everyone. It's nighttime. I'm sorry. I just have a lot of things to do today, and then I didn't have time to catch up with this project, and then now it's nighttime. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, thank you for the people who support my channel membership and the people who's always here, watch my video and subscribe to my channel and donate to my channel also. All right, everyone. Love you. Stay safe. Take care. And until next time, don't forget to turn the bell notification on. Every time I upload the video, you get notified.